What cup sizes should pop-up coffee stands offer? Offer 3 main sizes: 12 ounces for regular drinks, 16 ounces for larger drinks, and 20 ounces for customers who want an extra large option. A 12-ounce cup is a good standard size because it gives customers enough coffee without making the drink too expensive or wasteful. A 16-ounce cup should be the most important larger option because many customers recognize it as a normal medium or large size. A 20-ounce cup works well for iced coffee, cold brew, and drinks with lots of milk or ice. Offering too many sizes can slow down service, confuse customers, and require more cups, lids, and storage space. For hot drinks, smaller cups often taste better because the coffee flavor stays stronger and the drink does not cool too quickly. For iced drinks, larger cups make sense because ice takes up space that would otherwise hold the beverage. A useful detail is that a 16-ounce iced drink does not contain 16 ounces of liquid if it is filled with ice. Before opening, test each recipe in every cup and measure the actual coffee, milk, syrup, and ice so the flavor stays consistent. Keep 1 cup size for specialty drinks when possible, because a simple menu helps a small stand serve more people quickly. One common mistake is treating hot and iced drinks exactly the same, so use smaller hot cups and leave enough room for a lid without making the drink spill. Another mistake is choosing a 20-ounce cup just because it looks generous, even though extra milk and ice can hide weak coffee. Use measured recipes instead. Some owners also offer a very small cup, but it may create extra inventory and rarely improves the customer experience, so begin with 3 sizes and add another only after customer demand proves it is needed. Watch your sales for a few weeks and record which sizes sell, since real orders are more useful than guesses. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.